Welcome to another 2-Minute Travel Tuesday. We're here at the Frank Lloyd Wright Rosenbaum House in Florence, Alabama. Let's go check it out.
When Stanley and Mildred Rosenbaum decided to reach out to Frank Lloyd Wright, asking to commission a house from him, they thought they had about a snowball's chance in you-know-where. So they were surprised and thrilled when he agreed. The Rosenbaum house is a stunning example of Wright's pre-World War II Usonian style, complete with its own lighting and window pattern. Most of the furnishings in the home were also designed by Wright. The home was built in 1940, and then later an addition was added on by Wright himself, maintaining the architectural integrity of the home.
Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and tune in on Friday for our regular vlog.